we see the Simur, what shall we ask for?
Ask for whatever your heart desires.
My dearest wish, my dearest desire is to see him.
Then ask for nothing.
Tell me, what presents can we bring?
Take to the land of the Simur that which you cannot find there.
It knows everything. It has everything.
Then take your sorrows and your love.
Hey, look down there.
Is that a bird walking?
Useless